Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sunset View, Hangnaameedhoo Maldives. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Hangnaameedhoo, Sunset View, Hangnaameedhoo Maldives has a garden, terrace and restaurant. The property has babysitting service, dry cleaning services and luggage storage for guests. At the guest house, rooms contain a closet, bed linen and a balcony with a garden view. Featuring a private bathroom with a shower and free toiletries, certain accommodations at Sunset View, Hangnaameedhoo Maldives also feature a city view. At the accommodation, every room has air conditioning and a safety deposit box. A la carte, continental or Asian breakfast is served at the property. Speaking English and Hindi, staff will be happy to provide guests with practical advice on the area at the reception. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.